Hey guys, what's up? This is Shahul from NS channel. Today in this video, I am going to unbox the Crossbeats Wave IPX7 Bluetooth waterproof headphones. The price is only 3000 rupees and with interesting cashback 500 rupees on Paytm. And if you want to buy this one, simply click on my description box and follow the link to buy this product. Okay guys, don't waste any more time. Let's go for unboxing. Hey guys, this is our Wave IPX7 waterproof headphones. Okay, let's unbox this. Wow, the box is looking too cool. Here you can see the branding of Crossbeats, and here it is, the waterproof Bluetooth headphones, and it is wireless. It is coming with IPX7 waterproof facility, fully HD sound and long-lasting play time. And here you can see some specifications and features, and here you can connect with iPod, iPhone, iPad, Android, PS4 and Windows also. Okay guys, don't waste any more time. Let's open this. It is coming with a good carry case. And here you can see the Crossbeats branding. First put it outside and check what is inside in the box. And this is some basic paper guide how to use your earpods. And this is a 1-year warranty card. And nothing else. Okay, open this one. Yeah. Wow. See, it is looking pretty cool. Yeah. Guys, this is our headphones. First put it aside and check what is inside. It is a charging cable and some extra earpods. Let's check how it is working. Wow, the earpods are looking very cool, and the sound quality is also good because it was Beats never compromise in the audio quality. It's too good. And here you can see the charging port. And this is some buttons to control your volume. This is the power on button. When you can on this power, you can see here the light is blinking. Then your headset is ready to be paired with any devices. Guys, now I am going to connect these headphones with my Redmi S2. Here you can see. The headset is on and it is searching. I am turning on my Bluetooth. Going to my Bluetooth settings. Here. Here you can see the CB Wave. Yeah, it is connected. Now I want to put a song. Go into my Geo Music. Put the song here.